6 brand new PLC programmer seats just opened on Automate America, and they're part of 19 contracts open right now. The 6 new seats pay $60 an hour and start July 27th, and contracts here fill in minutes. So let me give you the 6 first. First, Austin, Texas. 3 Siemens PLC programmers for commissioning support on Tesla's automotive manufacturing systems. Second, Sparks, Nevada, right outside Reno. 2 Allen Bradley PLC and HMI programmers, same scope, programming and commissioning support on Tesla's lines. And third, Arden, North Carolina. 1 Siemens PLC and HMI programmer supporting commissioning at Linamar's precision powertrain plant. All 6 seats run Monday through Saturday, 50 to 60 hours a week for about a month, with a real shot at extension. $60 an hour starting July 27th. That's the newest 6. The rest of the 19 are open right now too. Robot programmers in Michigan, New York, and South Carolina. More PLC programmers in Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio. Controls engineers in Tennessee, Kentucky, and Michigan. An automation technician in Louisville, Kentucky. Vision system engineers starting in Germany and finishing in Texas. And a machine builder in South Carolina. Every one of them is on automateamerica.com. Find the one that fits, hit apply, and our team gets you moving the same day. Not free until next month? Sign in and mark yourself available the moment your window opens. Available professionals go to the top of the list, and customers request them directly. 6 new seats, 19 open contracts. They will not last the day. automateamerica.com. Go get your seat. We'll see you on the line.